Happy Tune Kids, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Tuney, and this is baby Lulu. Subscribe, and let's learn the days of the week together. Monday, Monday, here we go. Doobie doobie Monday, let's go slow. Wake up, stretch, and say hello. Monday, Monday, here we go. Tuesday, Tuesday, time to play. Doobie doobie Tuesday all day. Clap your hands and shout hooray! Tuesday, Tuesday, come and play. Wednesday, Wednesday, middle of the week. Doobie doobie Wednesday, hide and seek. Flowers blooming, rosy cheek. Wednesday, Wednesday, peek a peek. Thursday, Thursday, baking day. Doobie doobie Thursday, hip hooray! Sprinkles flying every way. Thursday, Thursday, sweet today.
Friday, Friday, dance and sing. Doobie doobie Friday, everything. Spin around and let joy ring. Friday, Friday, ding ding ding.
Saturday, time to play. Doobie doobie Saturday all the way. Slide and swing throughout the day. Saturday, hip hooray! Sunday, Sunday, rest and read. Doobie doobie Sunday, all we need. Cozy cuddles guaranteed. Sunday, Sunday, plant a seed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, me and you. Saturday, Sunday, we are through. 7 days just for you. Every day is full of fun. Monday through to Sunday, sun. Sing and dance till day is done. Happy Tunes Kids #1. Thanks for learning the days of the week with us. I'm Tuney, and that's baby Lulu. Subscribe to Happy Tunes Kids for more fun every week.